starting a whole new unit. We're done with place value. We'll still talk about it and we'll still bring it up. We'll still practice it. But we're getting into addition and subtraction. Okay? So today's lesson is a little bit easy, I think. It might be hard for some people. But we're just going to go through some addition skills. So today's math is talking about adding, and when we're adding, we use the plus sign in our number sentence. This is a number sentence. It has numbers in it. When you're adding two numbers together, those two numbers that you're adding are called add-ins. So if I say, what is the add-ins for this number sentence? It's 4 and 5. We're adding those two together to get to this number, and this is called, does anybody know what this is called before I show you? What is this number called? It is the number 9, but it has a name. What does that have? What is that called? We add two numbers together. What do we get, Matthew?
The answer.
Okay, it is the answer, but you know what the math term we call it is? It starts with an S. It starts with an S. The sum. Good. Kiss your brain. Okay, so it's called the sum. So the sum is the answer that you get. So that's when you're adding two numbers together, the answer that you get is called the sum. Okay. All right, and then of course we know the equal sign is the symbol that means the same. So on both sides of our equal sign of that problem, 4 plus 5, when we add 4 plus 5, we get 9. And then on this side of the equal sign, we had our sum of 9. So what it does is it changes 4 plus 5, so it looks like this. 9 equals 9. Does 9 equal 9?
Yeah.
It's the same. Okay? So that's what the equal sign means. Just like when we did greater than, less than, equal to, when we were comparing numbers. Alright, we know what a plus sign is. There's another plus sign with a happy face on it. Alright, so today's lesson is, what you're going to do is you're going to look at some gumballs. You're going to write the number sentence on your whiteboards, okay? All of these number sentences are going to equal 10. They're going to equal 10. That's it, 10. It's going to be really easy. But the hard part is that you have to count all the gumballs. Alright? And you have to come up with your number sentence. So, for example, you're going to count the gumballs that are above this box and the gumballs above this box, and you're going to create your number sentence. I'm going to scoot this one back so they can see it. Okay? So we'll do this one together. So let's count these gumballs real fast. All right, everybody count out loud. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? So 9 plus, this is what you're writing on your whiteboard. 9 plus, how many is on this side? 1. Okay? So 9 plus 1, and my friends online cannot see orange. 9 plus 1. Alright, so that's what you're going to write on your whiteboard. You're going to count the gumballs. You're going to write the number sentence. So on your whiteboard, you should have 9 plus 1, and you can put equals 10. But we know all of these are going, all of them are going to equal 10. We're starting easy. We're easing our way back into addition. It's probably been a little bit since we've done it. Okay? So on your whiteboard, you should have 9 plus 1. So once you have 9 plus 1, show me so I can see that you're writing it. If you don't have a whiteboard, write it on a piece of paper. So you should have 9 plus 1 on your whiteboard. Jessica, watch your 9. Flip it the other way.
Remember, clip your marker. It's going to run out.
Good. Use paper if you don't have a whiteboard. Good, 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 good. Okay? All right, erase them. We're going on to the next one. All right, count the gumballs. Write your number sentence. Oh, sorry, I was in your way. I was checking thing. Sean was in and then he left. He came back. Never mind. I don't know what happened.
1, 2, 3. Let's see.
All right, 1, 2, 3. Show us. Show us your board. Good. Grayson, can you tell me what's on your board from Miss Turner's class? What's my number sentence that I'm writing? Good. 2 plus 8. Easy peasy. 2 plus 8 equals what? 10. All right, erase your board. We're going to move a little bit faster. It's not harder. We're still only going to 10. Today we're only going to 10. Tomorrow we're going to 20. We're just doing reviews. A little bit of review just to get our addition brains flowing. Does that equal 10 if you add it together? Huh? Oh, you bring number. Oh, yeah. All right, 1, 2, 3. Show me. Show me. All right, if we're adding to 10 and I see 1 gumball on this side, what's my other gumballs? 9. Because why? 1 plus 9 equals 10. So if you know that, you don't even have to count those gumballs. You would just know if we're going to 10, 1 more to 10 is 9. Or from 9 is 1 more to 10. Yep.
I love how I see people clipping that marker closed because they want their marker to last forever.
I don't even know.
It's like,
I guess. Can't talk. She just needs to flip her. I think she has it.
Okay, he does it right.
Yeah. I think she's got it open up. All right, erase your board. We're going on the next one. Here we go. Count the gumballs. Write the addition sentence. If we're in the way, let me know.
I'm sorry, baby.
We're going to 10. 10 is our magic number that we're adding to today. Yeah, flip it around. There you go. We are going to 10. Good job. All right, 1, 2, 3, show me. Ryan, give me my number sentence. Can you unmute or not? Yeah, you can unmute today. All right, what's my number sentence, Ryan?
4 plus 6.
Good. 4 plus 6. We have 4 gumballs. 6 equals 10. Wah, wah, wah. All right, erase your boards. We're going to do a couple more. Here's your new one. What plus what equals 10? How many gumballs do we have? Good job. Well, it doesn't just go there. All right, 1, 2, 3, show me. I'm calling someone from this turn or Stuber's class. Let's do, is it Marianne? Is that her name?
Oh, that's Bennett.
Oh, Bennett. From Miss Stuber's class, can you tell me your number sentence? Good. 3 plus 7. We have 3 gumballs on this side, 7 on this side, and it equals 10. Don't sound so excited. Some of you are like, this is boring, Miss Harris. Just practice. Good morning, Aaliyah. All right. Erase your board. We're gonna do 2 more. All right, just 2 more. All right, count these gumballs. Count these gumballs.
What?
Miss Harris's allergies are going crazy, so I sound all nasally.
I got some allergy medicine for you.
I already took some. That's why I'm not sneezing my brains out today. Yesterday I sneezed about 800 times all day long. All right, 1, 2, 3, show me. Picture 6.
Michael, we can't see you, buddy.
You're forgetting your plus sign. You can't just write 2 numbers on the board. All right, let's see. Let's call. Let's see. Who can I call on? Makari. Let's call on Makari. He's got his unmute Makari and tell me what your number sentence is.
Six plus 4 equals 10.
Good. 6 plus 4 equals 10. So it's very similar to the one we just had, but it's flip-flopped, right? 4 was first and then 6. So that's what we call a fact family. 6 plus 4, 4 plus 6 is the same. It always equals 10. All right, last one. Erase your board. Then I'm going to explain your homework.
Who is doing that noise? Stop.
What is that?
Put your lid on.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
All right, Trayvon, tell me what the number sentence is. Good. All right, everyone online, show me.
You gotta put a 0. You can't just leave it blank. You gotta put a 0.
Show me, show me.
Remember, 0 is a digit.
0 is a digit. We like this number 0. All right, we have 10 on this side, and we're adding 0 to it because there's none on this side. The order matters for today's, well, I mean, it doesn't really matter, but for your homework it will, and I'll show you why, okay? That's why we're practicing it like this. where you're making sure that your digits match the picture. Because that's what your homework's going to be. Alright, erase your boards. Close your marker caps. And I'm going to explain your homework. Oh yeah. Well, hold on. Go back to the rainbow real fast. Alright. Me and Miss Beth found this really cool thing, and it talks about friends of 10. So it's like a rainbow, and it's making the different fact families for the number 10. So if you follow the red all the way over, 0 and 10 are always friends. 1 and 9, 2 and 8, 3 and 7, 4 and 6, and then 5 and 5. So if you added all of those numbers that match the color, 5 plus 5 equals 10. 4 plus 6 equals 10. So it just follows the rainbow. So I don't know, I just thought that was cool. It's a cool little fact family of making 10. And that'll help you with your homework. Ooh, what? Alright. So that's the same thing, just written out in number sentence form. Alright, for your homework it looks like this. So what you're going to do is you're going to double click in the boxes to type the numbers. You are looking at the different colored dots. So there's pink and purple. So for example, the first one has how many pink dots? 2. So that's your first digit you're going to write, 2. And then you would count your purple dots. How many purple dots are there? 8. So you're going to put 8 there. So the pink digit always goes first. And then the purple. For all of them. Alright? Got it? Don't got it? What about this one? This one says pink digit and then purple digit, but is there any pink? No, so what's that digit going to be? 0. Oh look, I thought I was going to trick you. Here I thought I was being sneaky. Alright, how many purple digits do we have? How many purple dots do we have? 10. So 0 plus 10. Well, I just did the first 2 for you. Should be easy. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Alright, my friends, that's a math for today, okay? Easy. We're just doing waking our brains up because we're starting addition. It'll get harder.